Good job, Manette. Her head is totally turned away from the other dogs. Very nicely done. Well, Christopher's a happy boy today. Nicely done. That doesn't bother him at all. Body language is looking really good. Okay, and then stop again. Okay. Okay, and wait. Now, I want to put it to this group, to Manette and Christopher. Is there something that you would like to do right now? Your dogs are handling it really well. Is there something that you would like to do as a context for your dog?
I would like my dog to be able to go up to, not up to, but get a little closer to Ranger and just sit.
And just sit?
You know, just like see if I can get maybe halfway to where I am.
Okay.
Just how you are right now. I just want to see how she does.
Okay, go ahead. And don't take it too far too fast. Language is good right now. I'd rather you not press it. Very good, very good. Now, so let's see if Vera can move up behind Nanita just a little bit further. And then how about Christopher? What would you like to do?
You know, I'm happy with where we're at.
Okay, all right.
I think
All right.
being around as many dogs in sight.
I think that's really great. Yep. All right.